Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this Ottoman. This Ottoman features Walker Edison's easy assembly technology, which means that it has fewer parts and goes together in less time and with less frustration. Estimated time for assembly is 15 minutes, and just make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's get into it. We're going to start by attaching the legs to the shelf piece here. And for this, we just want the feet to be facing the same way as these holes on the bottom of the shelf here. So it'll go together like this. And then we'll attach that with one screw. And then we'll do the same thing with the other three legs. Okay, once all the legs are on, we can attach this piece to the main cushion. So we'll set the legs into the base here. And then each corner should line up with the holes in the cushion. And then we'll attach that with the bolts, and with the bolts we're going to take the lock washer, which is the smaller washer, put that on first, and then the bigger washer second, and then two of those will go into each of these plates here. And then with these, make sure we get them all in before we tighten them completely. That way we have some wiggle room to get them all lined up. And then once they're all lined up, we can tighten them all completely. And for this, you can use the included hex key. I'm just using the hex bit on my screwdriver. Okay, once they're all tight, we can flip it over. Okay, we're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new Ottoman. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.